So in the next lecture of the rate analysis, we are going to see the rate analysis for mosaic tile flooring over 20 mm thick lime mortar bed 1:2:4. Now see here, they have given us the lime and here 1:4 is the given ratio. Then what will happen automatically? Here 1 will be the cement, 2 will be the lime and 4 will be the fine aggregates. In this manner we have to consider. Here it is not the concrete but it is nothing but it is the lime mortar mixed with the cement. So again for the material calculations, as we know the flooring is in square meter, so we have to consider 100 square meter. Therefore the wet volume of mortar required is 2 cubic meter. It is directly given to us. So dry volume is 25% more for cement to get the wet volume. So dry volume is equal to 25 upon 100 into 2, that is 2.5 cubic meter. After that, the volume of cement is 2.5 divided by the addition of proportion, that is 1:2, 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 1 is the proportion of cement, that is 0.35 cement. So number of cement bags is equal to volume of cement divided by volume of one bag of cement, that is 0.357 divided by 0.035, that is 10.5 bags. In the same way, lime you have to calculate, it is 2.5, total 2.5 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 2, that is 0.714 cubic meter, which is nothing but the lime required. After that, the volume of the sand is 2.5 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 4, it is equal to 1.428 cubic meter. Then what you have to do, provide extra 5 bags of cement for cement slurry. While fitting any type of tiles, we have to prepare the cement slurry, and it is very important for the proper bonding of the cement mortar and that tile, because some of the air gaps are present in the mortar. While putting the actual, what we can say, tile or mosaic tile, we have to first of all place the mortar. After that we have to make it plain. After that we have to put a slurry so that the proper bonding can be achieved very easily. So the total number of bags of cement required is 10.5 plus 5. In this manner we have to find out the cement, sand and lime. After that, the number of tiles, the size of the tiles is 0.2 by 0.2 meter. So 100 divided by 0.2 by 0.2, that is 2500 numbers of tiles are required for 100 square meter tiles flooring. Okay, so again the table you have to prepare. Cement required is 15.5, the rate is 250, it is 3875. Lime 0.714, the rate is 3200 per cubic meter, so it is 2284.8. Sand required is 1.428, 653 is the rate per cubic meter, so it is 9.32.484. Tiles required are 2500, the rate per tile is 10, so 25,000 will be the rate. Polishing stone lump sum we can take it as 300 rupees. After that we have to again go for the labors. How many number of laborers are required? One number of labor, head mason is required. The rate is 176. Head mason, one number, whereas the mason, 20 number of masons are required. 165 is the rate, 3300. Male mazdoor required is 12. 160 is the rate, so 1920. Female mazdoor required 8 numbers, 160 is again the rate, so 1280. Bistis, 2 number of bistis are required. The rate is again 165. 330. Polishers, after fitting the mosaic tiles we have to go for the polishing. पॉलिशिंग करणं अतिशय गरजेचं आहे. पॉलिशर्स किती लागतात? 20 नग लागतात. 165 रुपये त्याचं दर आहे. 3300 येईल. त्यानंतर कंटेन्सी टूल्स अँड प्लांट्स लमसम 200. वॉटर चार्जेस 1% घ्या, 428 रुपये येईल. अशा पद्धतीने टेबल तयार करून just go on following this procedure, you will never do any mistake. त्यानंतर कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्सचा जो प्रॉफिट आहे तो 10% आहे, 4289.82, and the grand total will be 47,617.08. So the rate per square meter is 47,617.8 divided by 100. So it will be 417.7 per square meter. Per square meter means near about 10.2 10.28 square meter, 10.76 square foot. ओके, 10.76 स्क्वेअर फूट म्हणजे 1 स्क्वेअर मीटर असतं, लक्षात घ्या. त्यावरून आपण फुटाचं पण काढू शकतो. इन दिस मॅनर वी हॅव कंप्लीटेड द rate analysis for the mosaic tile flooring. Now we are going to see the rate analysis for pointing in cement mortar 1:4. So the material calculations again 100 square meter. The dry volume they have given us directly in the DSR as 0.7 cubic meter per 100 square meter. So sorry, 0.7 cubic meter of dry volume is required. Though the cement required is 0.14 cubic meter, that is 4 bags. Volume of sand is 0.56 cubic meter. Then we have to prepare the table. 4 cement bags at the rate of 250 will be to 1000 rupees. Sand is near about half a cubic meter, 653 is the rate, 365. Whereas the labor's head mason half number is required, so 88, because 176 is the rate. Mason 10 numbers are required, 165, that is 1650. Male mazdoor 6 numbers, 960 rupees. Female mazdoor 4, 640. Bhisti 1 number is required, whereas contingency tools and plants again 200. So the grand total will be 5068 rupees. In this manner, we have to prepare the rate analysis for our pointing. And at last, the water charges at the rate 1%, that is 50 rupees, 68 paisa. Add contractor's profit as 10%, that is 506.86. So the grand total will be 5626.23. So the rate per square meter will be 5626.23 divided by 100. So therefore, the rate per square meter will be 56.2 per square meter. In this manner, by following very simple technique and the following steps, very easily we can find out the rate analysis for different items. Thank you very much. We'll continue in the next lecture.